What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with an update on Kaspa. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm, I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so since my last video, the entire market has changed. Bitcoin had went from 66k down to 63k, and now it's back up to 67.5k. But if you scroll down here, you can see Kaspa is currently the 25th largest crypto, and they're currently trading at a price point of just over 18 cents with a market cap of 4.3 billion. Now, if you look at the last month, you can see Kaspa's up just under 11%. But in general, if you guys are looking to accumulate Kaspa, you have a bunch of different options. But we'll go ahead and hop into the Kasplex account. And they just posted 12 hours ago, and they're reminding you of another AMA on July 27th at 9 a.m. Eastern. So feel free to check this out if you guys are interested. And then they also posted on July 24th, it's always great to see these Kaspa brand sightings. There are so many proud Caspians out there, and you can see that they have Kaspa on the interior of their new car. And as I always say, community and hype are probably the most important things in crypto. At the end of the day, that's what's going to make a good investment. And then they posted on July 24th, Kaspa is going down under. We're excited to announce that Kaspa will be gold level sponsors at the Australian Crypto Convention in Sydney on November 23rd through the 24th at ICC Sydney. And anytime you sponsor something, it's going to bring eyes to your project. And then lastly, on July 17th, they got listed on Godex. So we also love to see new exchange listings. But now we'll hop into some macro news that could possibly have an impact on the crypto market. And I want to show you this post from Watcher Guru 7 hours ago. Presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy says, I put most of my wealth into Bitcoin and I am fully committed. And this happened on Karate Combat if you guys were watching.
How has your experience been so far?
I'm a huge supporter of Bitcoin. I was here a year ago at the other Bitcoin conference. I went home with most of my wealth into Bitcoin, so I'm fully committed.
And I want you guys to understand that Bitcoin Nashville is also going on right now. I'm sure most of you guys probably already know that, but in case you didn't, it could heavily impact the crypto market. And then 9 hours ago, X removes the Bitcoin hashtag emoji. Now, I have absolutely no idea why they did this, and the comment section isn't too happy about it. So only time will tell. And then 20 hours ago, Donald Trump raises over $4 million in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency campaign donations. But in general, there is a lot of super bullish news around crypto right now. Not to mention Ferrari to accept Bitcoin and Ethereum payments in Europe. I truly don't understand how anyone cannot be bullish on this asset class right now. Especially when you see stuff like this as well. Spot Ethereum ETF trading volume surpasses 1 billion on the first day. But anyways, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me. You guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And we've been making some huge gains in here. For example, I posted a buy alert for Hoppy at a $580,000 market cap on April 21st, and Hoppy ran up to over an $80 million market cap. That is over a 100x. Just to put that in perspective, if you guys had invested $1,000, your $1,000 would be worth well over $100,000. Those are life-changing gains to most people. So if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. And I'm going to keep it relatively brief on Kaspa because I think Bitcoin's a little bit more important and they're both very similar charts. Now, if you look at Kaspa right now in the 1 hour time frame, it is basically a textbook W pattern. And oftentimes you will see W's complete the move. And the measured move would take you up here to around 0.183. But regardless, this move we have had is very important to see. It has gotten Kaspa back above all of these moving averages. And it's also gotten Kaspa back above the point of control on the VRVP. Now, the same thing I'm about to say for Kaspa is also true for Bitcoin. The RSI and stochastics are both extremely overbought. So I will not be surprised at all if we do see a little bit of a pullback in the short term. But while this pullback happens, we do not want to see Kaspa break beneath the 200-day moving average, which is this golden line. If we lose that level again, we're probably going to drop significantly further. Now, if we do take a look at Bitcoin, I guess it's not as much of a W, but it still looks very similar in terms of the recovery. But same thing, it's gotten back above all of the moving averages. And on Bitcoin, the 21-day has just broken above the 200-day moving average, which is a golden cross. That is exactly what we want to see. But again, similar to Kaspa right now, the RSI and stochastics are both extremely overbought. So it would make perfect sense right now to see a little bit of a pullback. And yet again, similar to Kaspa, we just don't want to lose the 200-day moving average. And if you look at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we wicked perfectly off of the 50-day moving average. In addition, it was also previous tweezer bottoms. So yeah, Bitcoin is looking very strong right now. But again, I also want to be clear, Bitcoin Nashville is happening right now, so a lot could change. So just make sure you are prepared for any scenario. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Kaspa will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.